you go. Where are we?
We are in the one hotel in Miami. We're going out tonight.
Where are we going?
I don't even know the name of this place. How do you pronounce it?
To be termed.
Hassalon.
We're coming for you, RSVP.
We are going to pedal tonight in Miami. They're opening. Huge warehouse party. Let's check it out.
How are you? I saw Instagram in Palm Beach. You woke up in Palm Beach.
What the fuck? Oh my god!
Just ended back in New York. Getting ready to go to a production today. Day 1 of 5. Huge install. Event coming Saturday. I had to get back to the city.
It's looking real pretty.
It's gonna look so good in here, guys. I'm leaving too. This is what I look like leaving for an event weekend, like a mad woman. And we're on our way to our production.
Progress. Progress, progress.
Golf, are we gonna be ready? 50 minutes? We're late. I'm just definitely a little nervous. I wanna see this come together a little bit, and I want her to approve it all. She's had a lot of feedback, which is totally fine, but we wanna make sure that she comes in here and she's blown away. And you know, clients like this have a very specific vision, very specific taste, and my job is to make sure that we execute that to her expectation.
Más acá atrás. Tiene que poner más lugar aquí atrás.
I always forget my phone places because I'm doing things. So I'm leaving my phone here. Reminds me. Hi. Good to see you. Hi. Good to see you. Beautiful. I'm not dressed yet, but the design.
Yes, and you.
I was like, thanks. This is a client that is a generational client for LLG. We call that a legacy client. And this is their third party with us. And today we were inspired by Baby Macaulay and blueberries. The bride wanted, or the mom-to-be wanted blueberries. And these blueberries were such an integral part of the design. You'll see them throughout in little blueberry bunches as the place cards, and you'll see them on little blueberry bunches here. And then everything was little pops of blue. We have delphiniums, we have all these really, really pretty soft flowers. And then we decided to put this massive 8-foot hot air balloon in the middle of our tent. She'll be ready in 10 for photos, Sarah. Can your team move the piano? ABC, we're ready for you to start pulling up the carpet. Let's start with this side here. If your stuff is here, it needs to move out of the tent. I just think they're not going fast enough. And we still are pulling up carpet, and they're still trying to get their ladder out of here.
aquí. No te muevas de ahí. No, no subieron. Sí, pues. Sí, lo agarramos, lo agarramos.
Okay, Golf, I need your guys to move the piano, please. Perfect. I want to see how she looks. This looks good to me. Claw. Pretty. You like it? How does it photograph? Is this a good shot? Should I push it in? Tell me. Because essentially what I want to see is this like very whimsical picture.
Right. I want to angle this a little bit so that we're not, so we get a little bit of keyboard.
A little bit of keyboard,
yeah.
Can I see the hot air balloon?
Beautiful. Just for like effect. Yeah,
perfect. Okay. It is 11:20. The party starts in an hour and 40 minutes. And right now we are trying to get the room ready as quickly as possible so that we can take photos with our couple. When they get in there, we want, it to be perfect for them. So I keep pushing because we're a little behind schedule and we want to get it wrapped up as quickly as possible. Huh?
Where the carpet protection missed. So there was a gap when it was applied.
Nice.
So it's whatever dirt was from.
Nice. Alina, can you take a picture of that? Because that's sloppy. I don't like sloppy work. This needs to be emailed to me. So basically, whoever applied the carpet protector didn't apply it correctly. And so I'm seeing striations on the carpet, which is annoying. Can you, I'm gonna say something obviously, but is there anything that you could do? Golf, is there anything we could do about that? Okay guys, we're almost through it. We're almost through it. Can you come here really quick? She's gonna take a couple pictures. Thank you. It's gorgeous.
Okay, I'm thinking here,
Yes.
here,
Okay.
boss it up.
You got it.
We get you in the scene, and then I'll do some close up. All right, do a few more hair tucking shots like that.
gorgeous. Calm. It's perfect. We're 30 minutes early. I kept saying we were late, but you know what? It's just to keep people moving and pushing them. And now we have 30 minutes to do room shots, and that mom can come down, be surprised, and mom-to-be can be surprised. And of course, whenever our clients call, we make sure that we can deliver on their vision. They're gonna be here a little bit earlier than expected. I think this is a very cool moment. Oh, who broke it, Joy? That was supposed to be done at 2:30. That's why I came, to kind of see what's going on. We have about 30 minutes. I need it to be pulled out in the front also, right here. Yep, okay. Guys, we're done. Guys, they're breaking the glass. That means they're going to be here earlier than we expected. We need to be ready to receive guests.